20 years since we've been in Canada. Woo! So, honey.
Yes, love.
What's the day today?
April 20th, 2026.
And what's so special about today?
Today it marks 20 years since I came into Canada.
Woo!
And
14 years since we got traditionally married. Woo!
AKA paying the bride price.
She be paying my bride price today. My father, I remember that day. We had this. The back then it was Skype. People have it good today.
Yeah.
It was Skype, barely a good connection. My dad said he paid in full. I was Mrs. Mboso. Yeah, so it's a special day for us. 20 years ago, Mr. Mboso entered Canada. The way we're meant to be is actually a little bit scary, you know.
No, it's not scary.
It's not scary. What is it? I meant it's scary in a good way.
It's divine.
Oh, clock it! Hey, it's not scary. It's divine. 20 years later, do you have anything to say? I know I kind of put you on the spot, but
I would not have imagined that I will be married and the father of 2 children.
Really? 20 years ago?
No,
Actually, me too.
I was lost.
Yeah.
If you see my immigration picture, you see that it's somebody that is
post it.
no. It's somebody that was coming out of a jungle that was totally lost, had no horizon, no perspective. He's just hanging on for dear life.
Christ.
But God is good.
Yeah.
God is very, very, I can say that he has been so good. Been so good. You know, human beings, we tend to focus on the things we don't have. But like the songwriter says, count your blessings, name them one by one. You will see how God has been so good. And you see her, you see that the goodness of God. You see our children, you see the goodness of God.
I carry them.
Yeah. So, and I'll just stop at that. But there are so much more that God has been doing, and He will still do.